This dance is called Good Time, and it's usually danced to the song Good Time by Alan Jackson. It's a lot of fun. It's a little more complicated, but once you learn it, you'll love it. So let me show you what it looks like. We take 4 steps forward, 2, 3, 4. We'll touch twice. We'll do that grapevine turn, touch twice again, grapevine back the other way, and hop, 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 and then a cross turn, cha-cha forward, cha-cha back. Then we'll step out, together, out, and together. So I'll turn around so you can follow along. We'll start with those 4 steps forward, and it's a toe heel step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we'll touch right twice, 2, and a grapevine circle. Step out and around, step out and touch. Then we'll touch twice to the other side. 1, 2, and that same grapevine circle. Out, around, out, and touch. Let's do that much again. With our 4 steps forward, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Touch twice, grapevine around, touch twice, and grapevine around. Now we have our hops. We'll hop back on our left and pick up our right, hop, and then switch, step back, hop, step back, and hop. 3 hops. So it's hop, hop, hop. Then we're going to cross our feet and unwind to the next wall. So let's do those again. From the hops. Hop, 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 cross, turn. Now we're ready for our cha-chas. Starting with our right foot, we'll cha-cha-cha, rock forward on our left, cha-cha back, cha-cha-cha, rock back on our right. Okay, let's do that cha-cha again. On our right foot, cha-cha-cha, rock forward, and cha-cha-cha, rock back. Okay, let's take it from the beginning. 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch twice. Grapevine around. Touch twice. And grapevine around. Now your hops. 2, 3. Cross turn. Cha-cha-cha, rock forward. Cha-cha-cha, rock back. Now we're just going to step out and give it a shimmy and together. Out with a shimmy and together. That's all it is. Okay, so now let's try it to all 4 walls. Start with that 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch twice. Grapevine around. Touch twice. And grapevine around. And hop, hop, hop. Cross turn. Cha-cha-cha, rock forward. Cha-cha-cha, rock back. Step out. Together, out, together. Now we walk 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch twice. Grapevine around. Touch twice. Grapevine around. And hop, hop, hop. Cross turn. Cha-cha-cha, rock forward. Cha-cha-cha, rock back. Step out with a shimmy. Together. Out with a shimmy. Together. Walk 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch twice. Grapevine around. Touch twice. Grapevine around. And hop, hop, hop. Cross turn. Cha-cha-cha forward. Cha-cha-cha back. Step out. Together. Out. Together. Walk 4. Touch twice. Grapevine around. Touch twice. Grapevine around, and hop, 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 cross turn, cha-cha-cha, rock forward, cha-cha-cha, rock back, step out, together, out, together. You got it. Four steps forward and walk. 2, 3, 4. Touch twice. Grapevine around, touch twice, grapevine around, and hop, 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 cross turn, cha-cha, cha-cha back, step out with a shimmy, walk 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch twice. Grapevine around. Touch twice. Grapevine around. And hop, hop, hop. Cross, turn, cha-cha, rock forward. Cha-cha-cha, rock back. Step out with a shimmy. Step out together. Walk 4. Touch twice. Grapevine around. Touch twice. Grapevine around. And hop, hop, hop. Cross, turn, cha-cha. Cha-cha back. Step out together. Out together. Walk 4. Touch twice. Grapevine around. Touch twice. Grapevine back. And hop, hop, hop. Cross, turn, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Step out together. Out together. Okay, I think you've got it. Let's bring out our dancers.